Just hours before facing a possible lawsuit, Governor Bruce Rauner's administration rescinded changes to overtime pay for about 8,000 SEIU workers. Since those changes, SEIU has been fighting back. Fox's Jacqueline Driscoll has more on these new developments.
SEIU says they are celebrating a major victory as the state government suspends their original plan of firing home care health workers who work too much overtime. This comes at a crucial time, says SEIU's vice president, as over 2,000 workers had been written up for working too much overtime and face being fired as early as next week. The Department of Human Services says the original plan was to save money and give thousands of workers who typically work overtime a break. SEIU says they agree employees need a break, but the state should use a better system than what they're proposing.
Consumers choose who is their personal assistant, and they should have the right to work it out with their worker if their worker needs a break. In many cases, the worker will need a break, and so there should be alternative personal assistants available to offer them one.
DHS says putting this policy into place saves money for taxpayers. So far, about $5 million total since it was implemented.
If they only have one caregiver and something unexpected happens to that caregiver, they could be left in the lurch. And so, it's just prudent for them to have a backup plan.
SEIU workers are not out of the woods. The state still has the option to resubmit these policies, but the SEIU also has the option to follow through with their lawsuit. SEIU says they are calling on Governor Rauner's administration to do more in taking care of already underpaid state employees.